Question number 67. In the 67 problem, okay, in the 2 seconds 5 beats is given. Now we know that what is the beat frequency definition? Number of beats made per second. Number of beats made per second. That means 1 second. 2 seconds ki 5 beats. 1 second ki 5 by 2 beats. Okay. Here both sides divided by 2. 1 second 5 by 2 beats. That means delta n equal to 5 by 2. This is the beat frequency. Okay. Here find the time interval between two successive maximum intensities can be determined. Now time interval between two successive maxima formula is 1 by n1 difference n2. But n1 difference n2 write as 1 by delta n. But delta n is given here 1 by 5 by 2 reverse 2 by 5. 2 by 5 write as 0.4. Okay. This is the first problem. Nana. Second problem Nana, 68. Look here Nana. The problem number 68 Nana. Two stretched wires of same length, same diameter and same material are on unison. That means initially both the wires have same frequency. That means unison means both the wires have same frequency. Here the tension in the one wire is increased by 2%. Tension in the one wire is increased by 2%. Number of beats also given nana. Delta n is 2 nana. Tension in the one wire increased by 2% means delta T by T equal to 2 by 100. Okay. Here find the frequency of the wire. Okay. Look here nana. Actually frequency of the wire formula is 1 by 2L under root T by mu. This is the formula for frequency of the stretched string in the previous. According to this concept, n directly proportional to root T. Okay, n directly proportional to T power 1 by 2. Both sides I apply differentiation nana. Look here nana. Delta n by n equal to right side half into delta T by T. Okay, here power becomes multiply. Delta n 2 nana, n I don't know, equal to 1 by 2 delta T by 2 write as, this is delta T by T write as 2 by 100. 2 cancel nana. Here denominator other side numerator, denominator other side numerator. What is the n value? 200. Completed nana. Next nana, I discuss another problem nana. Problem number 69 nana. Here first wave equation is given 4 into sine of 400 pi t nana. Y2 is given 3 into sine of 404 pi t nana. Look here nana. This comparison of A sine omega t, A sine omega t. According to this equation, A1 is given 4 nana. Omega 1 is given 400 pi nana. Omega means 2 pi n nana. Once again I repeat, 2 pi n equal to 400 pi nana. Pi what? Cancel. N value becomes 400 by 2 becomes 200. Okay. Here also A2 value is 3. 2 pi n equal to 404 pi nana. According to this value, n value 202. This n1, this n2. Here the question is find number of beats. Number of beats made per second is called beat frequency. Here how much? What is the beat frequency formula? n1 difference n2. What is the n1 value? N1 difference N2 means larger minus smaller. Here larger is 202, smaller is 200. 202 minus 200 becomes 2 nano. This is the first question. Number of bits completed. Next, find the ratio of maximum intensity by minimum intensity. Already in the previous I discussed maximum intensity by minimum intensity equal to formula, direct formula A1 plus A2 by A1 minus A2 whole square. Here look here. According to question, A1 value 4, A2 value 3. Here 4 plus 3, 7. 4 minus 3, 1 whole square. 7 square, 49 is to 1. This is the next problem. I discuss now 70th problem. Look here, very important. The 70th problem is here unknown fork is K. Unknown fork is K. Known fork NA is 5% greater than compared to K. Generally K is not given. K is 100%. NA is 5% greater. 5% greater means 105 K by 100. NB is, look here, NB is 3% less than K. 3% less than K means 97 K by 100. Okay. A and B are vibrated simultaneously 4 beats per second. Nana, look here, Nana. This is NA, this is NB. Both are vibrated to form number of beats becomes 4. This is keyword. Here, Nana, this is NA, this is NB. Delta N equal to 4, Nana. Delta N means larger frequency minus smaller frequency. NA is larger, so that's why NA minus NB. Here 4 equal to NA value 105 K by 100 minus 97 K by 100. Here LCM is 100 Nana. 105 minus 97, it becomes 8K. Here Nana, here look here, 4 2s, 2 50s. That means finally we get K value becomes 50. But in the question, to determine not K Nana, to determine NA value, NB value. Here substitute. K value 50 here substitute to get NA. K value 50 substitute here to get NB. Okay, this is the solution of the problem. Next, Nana, the problem number 71, Nana. It is the most important problem final exam. Here, look here. This is the tuning fork. 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 Here, Nana, these two tuning forks are vibrated. 4 beats are formed. These two tuning forks are vibrated, 4 beats are formed. These two tuning forks are vibrated, 4 beats are formed, and so on. Simply call as, look here, the difference is same. In the mathematics, difference is same, that is called arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression mathematical formula? Sn equal to U plus A n minus 1 into d. Once again repeat. What is the Sn formula, Nana? A plus n minus 1 into d, Nana. Look here. Here, Nana, once again, what is the Sn formula? A plus n minus 1 into d, Nana. Look here. Here, Nana, keyword in the problem, the final frequency is octave of the first frequency. In the physics, octave means double, Nana. For example, first frequency A aithe, final frequency is octave ante, octave means double. That means this is A, automatically Sn is 2A. Once again I repeat, here the last fork is octave means double, octave means double plus. Here number of forks is given, 64 tuning forks is given. Number of forks 64 minus 1. The difference between two forks is 4. Okay. Here plus a other side 2a minus a equal to a nana. 64 minus 1 63. 63 into 4 nana. A value 63 into 4. Equation number 1. Here find frequency of 16th fork na. Same formula I give nana. Sn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a value here write nana. 62 52 nana. Plus number of fork. Which fork? 16th fork. 16 minus 1. The difference between two forks is 4. Here 15 into 4 16 nana. 250 plus 60 312 H. Final. Very important keyword in the problem. The difference between two forks is same. That means this is AP, arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression? Sn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Next very important problem I discussed 81. Okay. It's important. The wavelengths of two sound notes in air are 40 by 195 and 40 by 193. Here, look here now. Here, first wavelength is 40 by 195. Okay. Second wavelength is given 40 by 193. Here, frequency equal to V by lambda. Here, V by lambda. Here, lambda write as 40 by 195. Here also frequency equal to V by lambda. Here also V and V. Lambda write as 40 by 193. This is N1. This is N2. Here nana, each note produces a 9 beats nana. Third one. The example. This is first note. Second note. This is unknown nana. This is unknown. This third note దీంతో నానా ఎన్ని బీట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి 9 దీంతో ఎన్ని బీట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి 9 ఓకే నానా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బీట్స్ అంటే వి నో ద ఫార్ములా డెల్టా n ఈక్వల్ టు n1 డిఫరెన్స్ n2 హియర్ ఆల్సో డెల్టా n ఈక్వల్ టు n1 డిఫరెన్స్ n2 లుక్ here 195 is more 193 is less so that's why this is higher కాబట్టి n1 is larger always nana 195 v by 40 minus n వీటి మధ్యన ఎన్ని బీట్స్ వస్తాయి 9 అలానే look here nana here also number of beats 9 this is less so that's why higher n minus 193 v by 40 okay nana look here nana here according to this concept velocity of sound calculate na దీని నుంచి n తీసుకోండి n వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుందో చెప్పండి 195 v by 40 minus 9 minus other side plus other side minus here also n value 193 v by 40 plus 9 nana okay here LHS are equal automatically RHS are equal so that's why 195 v by 40 minus 9 equal to 193 v by 40 plus 9 here wheel anni one side numbers anni other side to be calculated to get the answer okay nana in this model all problems to solve nana today I give assignment also up to 12 o'clock I send assignment nana to solve a classwork and worksheet all problems today tomorrow 10 minutes I give doubts clarification session nana at that time to ask each and every doubt okay this is very better nana very better and I also send in the YouTube okay this same class also to see the YouTube okay again and again because to learn each and everything automatically to get the success okay bye nana bye.